everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Amber and this is Fabricating Fringe. Today I'm sharing with you guys a beautiful wig from UniWigs. I love the box change that UniWigs has made. I think this box is beautiful. If you know me, I have a thing for good packaging and pretty boxes, and this box, it meets those standards. It's a good box. It has this like magnetic thing flap, so it opens up really easily but stays shut very well. And then of course has their tissue paper and everything, but then they have this really pretty velvet bag that you can put your wig in to store. And then of course UniWigs always is very generous, and they give you a wig cap, little clips or combs, and just some little extras to make the storage and wear of your hair that much more pleasant and ideal. All right, so the wig I'm sharing with you guys today is called Serena. She is a new human hair wig that they have out, and it is so pretty. It does only come in this one color at this time. It's called Cold Coffee Brown. This color is so gorgeous. It's 248 Cold Coffee Brown. I would say that this is your medium brunette, and then you have like this balayage. Well, the root is darker, so I'd say the root is kind of a darker brown that graduates into a lighter medium brown, and then you have the most subtle of blonde highlights in there. I mean, it's so subtle that you can hardly see it. I would say it could be considered even a very light brown mixed in there. And so just that graduation of dark to lighter is so beautiful, very well done. I would classify this as a beautiful brunette balayage shade. I'm going to talk about the cap construction since it's off, and then we will put her on and talk about more details on this beautiful Serena wig. So basically you have a lace top wig. The front extends from ear to ear, and then you have that whole crown of this gorgeous lace material that's been individually hand tied. So that whole top crown area and front area on the front hairline is individually hand tied, meant to look like the hair is growing straight out of your scalp. You have room for multi-directional parting ability. I mean, you can part this hair every which way, and it looks like natural hair growth. The rest of this cap is closed wefted, so you have those wefts, but then you have it closed on the underside. That's very comfortable. And then they have these pressure sensitive clips on the ear tabs that can help the wig itself stay more secure. And then you have your nape with kind of a lacy material, and these adjusters at the nape, so you can tighten and loosen this wig, have it more secure, and have it fit your head more true to size. Overall, the cap construction looks very durable, very well made, and the hair itself is just lovely. If you guys can see up close that dimension in color, it's a beautiful color, that cold coffee brown. The circumference on this here cap is 22 inches. I would say this is an average size cap or medium, which is what I wear in the majority of wig brands, whether it be a lace wig, a name brand wig. They're pretty much all average in size for me, and they fit really well, and this one is no exception. It fits great. Okay, let's put Serena on and see what she looks like. Isn't she so beautiful? I did put curl in this wig, and that's the nice thing about human hair, is you can style it to your liking. And this color, this balayage color, is so beautiful. It definitely gives your basic brunette color just more depth and dimension. And of course, it's very on trend. It looks like you went into a salon and had a really high-end balayage color from a professional stylist. The length on Serena is 16 inches, and the density on this here wig is 130%. Like I mentioned, you have that temple to temple lace front. It's been individually hand tied. It's beautiful. Let me give you a close-up view of that. The lace front looks really good, and then you have that lace all through the crown, so you can part it every which way, which they refer to as a free parting. You wear it to your liking. You can style it and have a lot of fun with it. I have these cute clips that match my necklace. You can put those on there and twist it back. I'm gonna have so much fun with this wig because it is so pretty and it looks very natural. You wanna be mindful of those hand-tied areas when you are using clips and hair accessories, but you can definitely slide them into wefted areas for an anchor. She's gorgeous. Now this hair is very luxurious Remy human hair. It's nice and smooth and soft. This is very high quality hair. I love the 16-inch length because you do have some length. You can have a lot of fun with this. You can pull it back. You can put it up in an updo. You can do braids. So you have the length, but it's not so long that it gets in the way. This is just a wonderful, like mid-length to long wig. And really ideal, a really ideal length. I love this length. It just seems very versatile, and I would say that a 16-inch wig is very logical for everyday wear because long hair, as much as I love very long mermaid type hair, you know, you have to work with it. It can get in the way. It can get, it's all over the place. You're a mermaid. And so this does have that gorgeous length, the volume, the density, but it has a realistic, beautiful 16-inch length, if that makes sense. Let me know what you guys think as far as length goes. I mean, I love those long styles. I feel beautiful in those long, luxurious styles, but give me a mid-length to long-ish style like this, 16 inches, and I'm golden. Let me do a full turnaround of this gorgeous Serena so you guys can see the coverage and the density from all angles. What do you guys think of this beautiful Serena from UniWigs? You can get 15% off over at UniWigs using the code AMB15, AMB15. Of course, UniWigs, they have sales all the time, whether it be like a holiday sale or you know, like a flash sale. So you'll have to follow them and keep watch for those amazing deals and promos. But otherwise, that AM15 will give you 15% off all the time. I'll have that code below, and I'll have the link down below to this Serena wig as well, along with their website, their Instagram, and their other social media platforms. Let me know what you think about this gorgeous balayage color, and what you think about Serena, that lace front and that lace top area. What are your thoughts? Overall, I'm quite impressed. I think it's gorgeous. I want to thank UniWigs for the opportunity to share this gorgeous human hair wig with you guys today. If this was helpful, give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe if you haven't already for future tutorials, styling, and wig reviews. I want to thank you guys for your support and stopping by to watch this here video today. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.